Alright guys, so back on it again today. Obviously you've seen last time we just propped this here for a minute, just put one bolt in it. We've got the new part now. I still don't really know what the hell this is, but we have got it. So take this front end back off, pop that on, then we can put this all back in properly, put the pipes on and everything, fill up with coolant and all that, put the AC condenser on, just putting it all up, make sure all the bolts are and all the connectors and stuff. Probably put the lock and latch on. I think we've got all that. Just basically sort all that back out now. We've got that little part. It's back in here somewhere like that. So get all that buttoned up. And then what else we're doing? Maybe servicing it possibly. But yeah. See all these pipes here. I'll set you up on a little time lapse and just watch us mess about with it, put the new clips on and that. I'll show you what we're doing with this first actually, just in case you're curious or yours is broke or something. I mean, it might take a minute to pull these off. I don't know how these are connected, crimped on or something. I might just pull off actually. I think they might just be pressure, like fitted sort of thing. Oh, there you go.
Must be boost hoses.
Yeah. I have literally no idea what the hell it is, to be fair. Get this bloody... Oh, is that the way? Let's see.
That's nice. I think they colour coded for you as well.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's literally colour coded and everything.
Probably so you can't fuck it up.
Yeah. We probably still might manage to that, jokes. It's all them in. It can't be anything like seriously pressured, can it? Because it's just pushed in.
I think it's just exhaust.
Just take one off because you can just push it in. Look, it's other things like that. Pop the other one on the bottom. Literally just like that. Screw them in, 10 mils. Put that connector back on. Just push that connector in. Do it after you screw it in, just so there's enough room. Well, then I'll have another little quick look for damage, but honestly everything looks alright. This is probably the furthest point as well, and that's fine. Because obviously it was more impacted up here. You see a little bit here on the turbo. It's not dented, it's just marked. Send that on. There we go, solid connector in. I just wanted to cut in quickly and just show you how clean it's looking now. Just give it a little clean, little degreaser and that. Just to get all the oil off, because then, when we put it all back together, we'll be able to see if it's still leaking. So, I know it also makes it look better for the customer, but main reason is just to know if it's still leaking when it's all back together. Because obviously it was loads of oil around this area, all over here. The gearbox was pitted. There was loads of oil all over the AC compressor and the pipes and everything. So when it's all back together, we'll be able to see if it's still leaking or not. But yeah, it's looking a lot cleaner. Start putting it all back together now.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under.
Alright, we've got all the front end backed on pretty much. See the crash bar, apart from the crash bar. Connectors all in, hoses all in. We haven't leak tested it yet, we'll just fill it with water in a minute. This little overflow thing in. The bottom one's in as well. Anyway, see, I'll bolt it in. I think it's clipped in. I just need to put this bracket on. Looks like it is a little bit bent, but we'll be able to straighten that a little bit just for now. But yeah, all the clips in, bolts in here. You can see, lines up perfectly. So it's all sitting properly. Plenty of room, plenty of tolerance. So that's great news. Just went on the crash bar coming because we ordered it and they messed us about basically. We've been waiting like 2 weeks for it and went and ordered another one. So we've got a new one coming now and hopefully that should be here in the next couple of days. I just want to get that on and get the bumper back on. Get a new bonnet on it and good to go. But yeah, we'll quickly put the lock back in. So that's all sorted. Obviously we can't attach it to the crash bar, it's not here, but when the crash bar does come, we can see how bent that is. You can see it's just a tickle out. I mean, all you'd have to do is bend it a little bit with both your hands, it'll straighten right back up. So we'll do that when the new crash bar comes. But yeah, good so far, innit, Grant?
Yeah,
Not too bad. So what we'll do next, obviously, like I said, put that on then until it would cool and see what it sounds like when it's running. Because before there was a little noise, and because probably the fan was running against something, like hitting it. So run it again, and hopefully it sounds lovely and quiet. So get on with that. Right, we just got this lock all sorted out. It's meant to have a little plastic cover that goes over here, but we don't have it. We'll try and get one. Now we're just putting the headlights in. Just take these bolts out. That one going in alright?
I think so. Mine, bro.
Is that side bolt out, yeah?
Mine is,
There we go. Oh, mush, that lines up bloody perfectly. Look at that. I didn't even mess with it. I literally just push it in with my knee and it's spot on. I won't send the bolts on, but I'll get it in so it's secure.
Look how better than mine.
Obviously, I'm just better, mate.
Is mine not clipped into something that needs to clip in?
This one seems a little off here. So look.
There's a gap there. You must have not clipped the bottom one or something.
Yeah, it's not sent back.
Oh, there you go.
Just a little bit of love tap. Look at that. I'm loving that. Look at the gap on it, mush. Oh, the bolts bang on. That bolt's bang on. Yeah, exactly. Wow. No, that's great. That is lovely, guys. Right, I'll just quickly send the bolts on with this and then we'll show you. Alright, we've got the headlights all in, all buttoned up. Might have to adjust these ones when we get the bumper and everything and the bonnet all lined up, but for the minute it's spawn. Just filled it with some water. So he's just going to start it now, see what it sounds like. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, that sounds spot on. Bit of smoke, that's from the degreaser. Oh. Belt's chirping up. That's just from the degreaser. Let it run for 5-10. Get the water around, make sure there's no leaks underneath. Check the horn. Horn's broken. We have bought a new one, but we just wanted to make sure the cables work. LEDs work. Indicator. Yep. High beam. Yep. Great, but all the headlights work. Yeah, they're good. Knock them on. Don't worry guys, we're not leaving it like this. There is no crash bar, but it's been in the back of my van and it's been getting like damaged, so there's a bit of scraping on here I think from the van or something, so I thought we'll just bolt it to the car for the minute. But yeah, I mean, look at the, obviously it's not all finished yet, got to take it back off and put the crash bar and all that, new horn and that, but just got one bolt down the bottom. But look at the gaps, I mean, that's going to be sat right under that light, absolutely perfect. Look at it, you know, there's no problem with this at all, it's absolutely lovely, buzzing with that. Alright guys, I don't know if I'm going to add this to the last video or make a new one on it, but finally got the crash bar in. So we've got 3 bolts here, 30 mils. Just took them over there like that. So got that in. We need to move this up and then clip it off of that little metal bit there. Screw that in. 30 mils on there, that's all on. So that's all sorted, headlights all good. And we've got a new horn. Don't worry about that, that's over Range Rover. The bottom piece. New chrome piece along, and this back bit of plastic on the bumper. New number plates as well. These are the new bits. And this is like the top slam panel piece that goes on as well onto the bumper. So that'll be all getting put on. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. They're going on now, is it?
I think so.
Oh yeah, they clip in, don't they, into these things?
I don't know if they do.
Yeah, they do,
Yeah, that's different.
It's on?
You're not, mate.
Oh yeah, mine's like out of trim now, look. I like how they just welded it and thought, yeah, we'll just send him that, that's fine. Right, got the lock and everything all bolted up. Probably need a little bit of adjusting when we put the bonnet on, but new horn on. It's not touching the frame anymore. That pushed in. Make sure that works. 2 bolts on that. What else did I do? That side bolted down. So yeah, that is ready for the bumper to go on. Mate's just doing that, getting all that together. Just taking his time with it. Aren't you, Grant?
Good, isn't it?
Yeah. Slacking. Don't look at these cars. Don't worry about them. Oh, this one over here. We haven't bought anything else. Haven't we, not Grant? We haven't bought anything else, have we? No.
Got a problem.
What?
Huh?
What?
Buying cars.
Oh, yeah.
We don't even fix them.
Nah.
A bit worrying that like one of the screws is gone.
They're all clipped in like in them little things, that's annoying. Yeah, just get that out, put the bumper on. And literally, did you order that bonnet, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't buy it?
You were going to look at them, remember? Because one was rusted and one was non-existent.
Classic.
I wasn't ordering that and then you'd be like, that's also wrong, look at the state of it. You can get
He has a tendency of buying dodgy parts.
Oh yeah.
Put it out there. So in a year's time we can look back at it, see if you've improved or not.
How the fuck did the bottom come out? No,
Oh, it's fell apart.
oh, we were reusing this.
Oh yeah.
Fucking watch the paint.
Rip it off.
No, because then we still need to get back onto this bumper.
There you go.
Jesus.
Just mucking about.
You're the reason why I need to
That's fine. I mean, that's a little broken, but it's still attached to the back. Thanks for watching, guys, and Hope you enjoy this little series. There's should be what, one more video, Grant? Well, we're gonna service it as well, but should be one more video. Just, we're gonna service it now, but it's started to rain, so we thought we'll do it a different day. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, can't make